Hello everyone and welcome to Advanced Health Assessment. My name is Paige Hardy and I'm one of the professors that you'll have for this class. I'm really looking forward to meeting all of you and I think we'll have a fantastic semester. I know from the point we're at right now it may seem daunting and a little bit nerve-wracking, but things will be great. You will learn so much, you'll make new friends, and you'll discover just how smart you are as we go through all of this. I know when you're at this point things can be terrifying and exciting all at the same time, but just try and take it day by day, 1 week at a time, and we'll get through everything. It's an exciting start for your career as midwives, and we really look forward to getting to know you. A little bit about myself. As I said, I'm Paige Hardy, and I'm a nurse midwife. I have been for almost 18 years. It's a long time. I live in a rural community in western Minnesota and work in a very small hospital, a critical access hospital, and I'm the only midwife at that location. I'm an adjunct faculty for Bethel, and I have been a preceptor for the program since it first started, and this is my second year teaching in some of the classes. I look forward to teaching with Julie again. We had a really good semester last fall together, and I think it'll be even better this year. I have a blended family of 8 children, and we had our very first wedding in the family yesterday, so we're a little bit frazzled and tired, and the house is a disaster, but we had a fantastic weekend, and we couldn't have had a more beautiful wedding, so we all had a fantastic time. We have 3 kids left in the house. 2 of the boys will be seniors, and 1 will be a 7th grader. So we're kind of all over the place with ages and activities and sports and all of that kind of thing, but it's been just fantastic. We're very, very lucky and blessed to have that. I just really look forward to meeting all of you. I hope you take it day by day. Please know that we're here for you as a resource and support, and we're here to cheer you on and get you through every week of the course. You'll do a great job. Just know that going in, and have the confidence that you'll be all just lovely, strong midwives when we're all done with everything. Please feel free to reach out. Our contact information is in the class resources, so please look there if you need anything. And I can't wait for classes to start, and we'll do great things together. Take care.